What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Pamela, on my YouTube channel. What's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Ake sihlaziyeni nansi indaba ezibuhlungu zika-Eni uNkulunkulu wami esejolelwa umuntu. Bathi akajoli uDaguru. Mina I didn't even know his name. Mina ngibhizi ngithi Umthembu uDaguru. That's his name apparently. I'm just like, wow. Yeah, I and his husband, guys, sibonakala ngezinye indlela, ubonakala somewhere at some stage kuthiwa wabonakala ebambene no Sibahle Mpisane bebambene ngezandla. I'm just like, why would she do that, Sibahle? But it's kuthiwa angithi, we don't know, it's allegedly abantu basho njalo, but babonakele bebambene ngezandla. But I'm just like, in Durban, like, why would you be holding hands with someone's man ukwaziwayo, like TV stuff, like, I mean, khona ezinye izinto singajotshelana and stuff, but this is like crazy. It's beyond. No, you can't do that. Uyajola ke, he is jolaring uDaguru. I'm just like, bro, please, ayibo, let's hope ukuthi lento leyo kuthiwe it's a dream, sisazovuka besilele. There's nothing like this, and it does not end there ke kuthiwa uyajola futhi na some other girl, and then now this girl also pregnant. Oh, guys, I'm just like, I am done. Oh, it's a lot. Table. So two girl now is pregnant with this child. The problem, lezi zinto lezi guys zizophuma noma ngazi wenzini. Futhi ziphuma phi ngabanga, I'm pregnant, I'm also pregnant. But uyazi na uthi indoda yomuntu like, why? And then ke someone I know uthe kodwa ke nayo anyway imthole kanjani. Yabona lezi zinto ukuthi they don't end well at times. Yabona, and mina I was just saying ukuthi usaneke ke unjani, mhlambe yahle mhlambe yamzwela, and then kuthiwa uLondi London. Now you flew from here in Johannesburg to Durban to console umngani wakhe inkosami. Kona like kubuhlungu guys, because we are always praying for the best, and we always praying ukuthi la madoda angalingwa. Kodwa ke ngoba nathi abanye abantu besifazane asiwathandi amadoda abantu, mina ngawonwa by one of my aunts ukuthi lale nje indoda umuntu ube kude. Futhi mawazi guys, like, why would you do that? Indoda umuntu ngoba you know exactly how this is gonna end. Buka manje into ujola indoda umuntu ku TV, you gonna know about that. Like noma ungenzani, noma I mean senibambene emamall nasema restaurant, like, why are we doing things ezingaka ezi-wrong esazi kahle ukuthi it's gonna backfire? It's not gonna end well. Kubani, it's not going to end well. Yeah, so nje kuthiwa ke ukhona ke nalo sisi ke manje usevele wakhulelwa ke, and naye ke uthola ukuthi utshele abangani bakhe, no, I'm pregnant with Mthembu's child. Like, I mean, really bro, like, why do we go through those things thina masabantu? Hey, no, sometimes ngithi yazi ukuthi I'm better off kanje ngingahambe ngijimisana nabantu babantu. Hayi, it's a look kuyaziwa nje kuthiwa hello sisi uthanda kabi uleqa leqe madoda abantu. Like, that's crazy stuff guys. Ungazenzi lezi zinto, but asazi sisayilandela ke nayo le iphuma nje kancane indaba leyo iphuma kancane. But I guess uLondi London naye shembe kufanele ukuthi amhambe ayomkhonsola umngani wakhe, amcomfort, amnikeza ama-hugs, because you remember how she cried, shem uEni ezwe indaba kaLondi London, shem nkosami wakhala wababekhala together, literally like inyembezi ngayibona mina ku-Housewives. I was like, wow, kwakubuhlungu shem guys. Zibuhlungu lezi zinto ngoba indoda amadoda aze kuhera, they will hurt you. Aze kuhera bayaherana those people. Hayi bayahethana shem, and nje shem ke yabona kuyadontsana, we don't know. I get the problem ne also thina women. We've got this thing ya uri monna ke selepera adimisana. I mean, really? Phela ngizulu lento le masusu uyenza ngapha indoda imbazo satshelekisana monna ke selepera adimisana. Adimisana makwenze njani? Sibolekisana when? Hayi guys, mina I'm just tired of these things umjolo. Actually ziyakhathaza. Yeah, but guys, ke nani ngenzobona ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani, mina ngihlaziyile. This is how I see it. These things is a big fire, and then uzobe to any yasehlekwa guys, akuhleki is not funny. Usani I'm sure uzomhleka, mhlamba kamhleki guys, we don't know. But let's leave it at that guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Siyahlaziya, what's the tea?